I have selected the top 20 US stocks by market cap, and I've put them into this Wheel of Fortune lookalike website. And what we're going to do, we're going to spin the wheel, and whichever company it lands on, I am going to sell an at the money put option to generate premium, and then I will manage this trade out to closure. And there's two reasons why I'm doing this. Firstly, this is a YouTube channel, so this is for entertainment purposes. I will be using my live account to place the trade. I do have the capital. I do trade on margin to be able to sell a put option on this. Ideally, I wouldn't sell a put option at the money, but we are where we are with these things. And the second reason and the main reason is to really show you guys that trading options or selling options is a skill that does take time to learn. And I don't hope that I get into trouble on this trade, but if I do get into trouble, I'm going to show you, the concept of rolling out and down. And I've done previous series, and I've got a Coinbase one at the moment open as well to showing you guys that one and how I'm managing that trade. Because one of the things the top question I get is, oh, I'm in the money on this option. What do I do? How do I roll? And people just don't really understand the concept of it. And hopefully, well, I'd say hopefully, well, let's hope I don't get put into trouble on this. But if I do, I'm going to manage this trade, and hopefully we're going to see that we come out with a profit. I might end up with the loss if that's the case. It is what it is, but I'll minimize that impact on this on there. So this is what we're going to do. So just let you guys know in terms of the time, we are at 15:20, so 3:20, Wednesday, the 14th of September. So I'm going to spin the wheel, whichever stock it lands on. I will go sell in the money put option, or at the money put option, and then head back to the charts on TradingView, and we'll have a look at the charts, and I'll give you my 2 cents on where I think the stock's going to go, and we'll see if I'm right. So without further ado, let's click to spin. I think it's going to be Google. It had to be Microsoft. Oh man, not because of the company, it's because of the price of the stock. So Microsoft, wow, it's dropped as well because of the inflation reports. So it's probably a good time to sell a put option if I'm really honest with you. So it's around $252. So I'm going to go sell a put option, and I shall see you guys in the flip side. So the current time now is 3:36 or 15:36, and you can see about 11 minutes ago I placed a Microsoft at the money put option, which was at the 250 strike, and made $445 premium. So the expiration date is September 23rd, and today is September 14th, so that is 9 days. So 9 days out, and let's have a look for 4.45 divided by 250. So it's about a 1.78% return on my investment if I was able to close this option out. So again, let's have a look now and see what the chart of Microsoft is doing, what it looks like, and let's see what we can do. So we've got the 2 hour chart up, and actually let's get the day. Let's focus on the day chart, and let's just have a quick look to see what is actually transpiring here. So we have the 250 strike. So we are at the money, just below the money, or however you want to take it. The good thing is we do have a support area from what I can see here. So if I just do the 250, you can see that we do have some kind of potential support at that level. We had a spike down here, spike down there. We got to a low of, what's that, 241, which isn't too bad. It's not too far away from the current price. We do have both the short-term and long-term moving averages, collection moving averages, according to Dahl Guppy's indicator, pointing down. So we are in a downtrend. Microsoft has had what's it, highs of what? Highs of 344 and lows that we're talking about of 244, something along those lines. So it's not a bad place. I'm not going to lie to you. It's not at a bad place. I'll be honest, I did wait until the inflation numbers come out before placing this video because it's always good to sell puts on down days. And all of those stocks that we looked at, they all tanked yesterday. So it was a bit timely in that sense. But who knows what the stock was going to be. So let's have a look now in terms of pivots. So if we scroll down to the 3 hour, let's have a look here, see what is going on here. Good news is that we have not hit the September monthly pivot, so that's above the current price, which is what we want to see. We want therefore there's more chance that price would go in. In terms of the weekly pivot, we've hit that. We do have a missed pivot all the way up here, back in August. So it's not too far away. Everything else looks pretty much has been hit. We do have a missed pivot. No, it got hit over here. So it's not looking that bad, right? Where we're near enough, or I know we're only looking at 3 hours. So if we go back to the day chart, we are currently the RSI is at 36. You know, every time we do get a bounce thereabouts near enough the bottom. And again, I think we could go down a little bit more, but I think we'll hover around this area. So if the price near the date and a few days out before the expiration does get anywhere near this strike price, then it'll be a very easy to roll out and strike, down and strike and out and expiration to generate some more premium as part of this. But the good thing is I have got 400 and what was it, 440, I don't even remember now, 450 odd dollars, it's not saved on there and I can't find the screenshot, 450 odd dollars to potentially give back to the market or to roll my option down. So there's options available to me, no pun intended, on this. So from a stock perspective, I'm quite happy with that strike price. It's near the lows, not at the June lows or where the bottom was. Is this the valuation of Microsoft to be put 100 shares? No, I think Microsoft still has a long way to go for it to get to fair value, but we are trading the stock. We're not looking to get assigned the stock. So I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. So what we'll be doing, I'll be doing subsequent videos for as long as it takes me to get out of this trade. But I really hope that you like that. Make sure you like and comment down below. Again, if you want me to do the same thing as what I did, but with meme stocks, like down below, comment down below, and then we'll do a Wall Street bets. And I just really want to do this one more time just to see what it would have been. Amazon. I would have preferred it to be an Amazon. It would have been a cheaper stock, and I don't know if you can hear the sound effects in the background of people cheering, but yeah, I probably would have preferred Amazon. But yeah, if you guys are interested in this, is wheelofnames.com. No affiliation with it. It's the first one I Googled and found. It looks pretty cool. Give it a go. And there's some more videos of my Coinbase where I did an in the money put option and how I'm managing that trade. Watch that video. That's on the screen now, and I should see you guys in the next video.